back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. Let's talk about the upcoming Sephora VIB sale, okay? Are you all into the sale? Are you all going to shop? Honey, I've been going back and forth whether or not I'm going to shop or not, honestly, because I feel like I spend throughout the year, and so when we get to these moments, even though it's a great savings event, I'm just like, I have what I wanted. So I decided to do a video on what's in my cart. There are so many different recommendation videos, I'm sure, that's going out. But I just wanted to kind of tap you into what I'm thinking about purchasing. It's not a lot. So like I said, I spend throughout the year. So in this moment, I'm just like, maybe I'll just do some repurchasing, but let's get into it. Let's get into it quickly about the sale. Some of you all might know about the sale and some of you may not, okay? Honey, if you all hear thunder in the background, honey, it's storming. I'm trying to beat the weather. So if you hear some rumbling and thundering, honey, I'm trying to beat what's taking place up in here. So work with me. So let's get into it about what the sale is. So if you are a Rouge member like me, you get 20% off starting April the 5th through the 15th, okay? If you are a VIB member, you get 15% off, and that starts the 9th through the 15th. If you are an insider, which anyone can be an insider, you can go in store and sign up. And I don't know why you wouldn't sign up because it is free.com, But anyway, if you are an insider, you would start the 9th of this month of April and it ends the 15th. You get 10% off. So again, anyone can be an insider. All you have to do is sign up. It's really that simple. So you can get 10% off. But either way, no matter what level you are, honey, we got the Sephora collection to all. And if you love a good Sephora collection, which I do, honey, anyone, no matter what level you are, can get the Sephora collection for 30% off starting April 5th and ending the 15th. So happy shopping. There is a code that you can use called YAY Save. So yay, save. Honey, it's going to be a great grand time. Hopefully you're excited. I'm not sure if I am or not, but I might get a little something, something. Not a whole bunch of something, something. I'm lying. Moving on. So moving on, if you see me looking down, I am literally looking at my cart, okay? So I am definitely wanting, last year, I don't know if you all remember, but if you've seen my past video, I talked about the Turkish Rose perfume oil from Nest. And I talked about, like, every time the sale comes around, I really want to pick this up. This is like kind of a must too, because I really want all of the different scents. So last year I really wanted the Turkish Rose, and unfortunately I didn't pick it up because there were other things that kind of moved in front of it and I just didn't get to pick it up. So it is what it is, but I'm gonna try again. We'll see if nothing else moves in front of it. But I really want the Nest Turkish Rose perfume oil. And originally this is $102. It used to be $99, so it definitely went up in price. But for me as a Rouge member to get 20% off of that $102, sign me up. And so this is really the time, because it does come in like a little, it is a perfume oil, so it will last, but it does come into like a little tiny perfume oil bottle. And so yeah, give me all the discounts in the world for that little thing. So I don't know if you're about like me, but any savings I can get, I want, okay? Trickling on down to Lily lashes. Okay, so I have been hearing about these Lily lashes, and so I'm interested. I'm interested in getting them. Right now, currently, as I'm doing this video, they are actually on sale for $8. So they're a little 10% off right now, but I am thinking with my 20% off, I'm going to wait and maybe I'll get some Lily lashes and dive into what that looks like, you know? Not a lash girl, I try my best, but when I don't have lashes on, I feel like I'm bald-headed.
You bald-headed demon.
On my eye. Is it just me or is it just me? It might not just be me. Next up, let's talk about Fenty Beauty, the Rihanna, the perfume body cream. Now this, the creme, but this one, I've been going back and forth. I do have the perfume, which I do love, but a lot of people have been talking about the creme, and I don't know. It is $86.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me!
I mean, I've done worse. You know, I've done worse. I've done worse. But I don't know if I want it or not. I keep hearing great things about it. I might dabble. It's kind of like on my maybe list. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to get that, but it is sitting in my cart. So we'll see. I'll come back with a haul for you to see if I pick up anything or what I've gotten from the sale. So if you're interested, just look out for that. Next on my list, I have Juliet Has a Gun and I have Ode to Dullness. Now we talked about this, okay? If you like a goody clean, woody, very sexy, but just very fresh, you know, wood type of scent, like a sandalwood, you would absolutely adore this. It's nothing dull about this. I don't know why the name is like that. We've talked about this before, but perfume wise, and I will be very honest with you all, I've looked on Sephora and there's nothing really that I'm just like, yeah, I want that. Yeah, I want that. Yeah, I want that. There's nothing that's standing out that I really want to add to my collection, but this one, Juliet Has a Gun, Ode to Dullness, I have definitely wanted that, so I might get that this time around. I don't know, I might get the 1.7 bottle just to make sure that I still like want it and adore it, because I really had fun with the travel size and I really want this in my collection. I just don't know if I want the big 3.5 ounce bottle at like 160, 150, something like that. I just don't know. I believe I'm going to kind of stick with the 1.7. I think that will do my body good. You know, if I get through it, then that means I need to repurchase. But sometimes I just don't get through those 3.5 ounce. And, you know, so to kind of cut down on my spending, I think I'm going to do the 1.7. Then on my list, I have another Lily lash. So clearly, I'm definitely going to be getting me some lashes, all right? Sol de Janeiro, the Boom Boom oil, okay? I ran out of it. This would be a repurchase for me. Very much. I love it. The price, don't love so much. It's $52, but I do love it if I'm getting a discount, okay? It is so pleasant, very almond, creamy, just very pleasant. Anytime. It could be fall, it could be spring, it could be summer, it could be winter. Year round, I think that this is a pleasant oil that is not too heavy and dense that it will turn you off. That's just my opinion, right? But I absolutely am loving, okay, the Sol de Janeiro line. I just did a video on the body mist. You all just know, like, so I'm really going to add that back to my collection because it's almost gone. So this is the time to definitely get your repurchases, your things that you need to re-up on. This is definitely the good time so that you can save some coins on the repurchase. Because let's call it what it is. Sephora ain't cheap. And who said that? Who said Sephora is cheap? You lying. You lying. You lying. You lying. Sephora cheap. Huh? Honey, you million, a million. Sephora ain't cheap.
Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
So this is the time, all that. So this is the time to like just repurchase, re-up on your re-ups, things that you really loved, enjoyed throughout the year. This is the time to get it. Okay. Rant over. Anyway, Huda Beauty, honey, has this shiny new lip gloss. I am wanting the Foxy one. I think I'm going to get that. I don't need another lip product for a lifetime. I don't need another lip product. But they just always get you at the lip products. Like, they be just like, bad. So I've been thinking about getting that. I've been thinking about getting the Summer Fridays lip oil. I love a good Summer Fridays. That lip oil looks like it would be amazing. So I might trickle on down to get that. Another one that is not on this list that I was looking at this morning is I just ran out of the one size Mario collection of the powder, the translucent powder. So I might re-up on that. However, I've been hearing so much about the Givenchy powder, the finishing powder, that I don't know. I'm looking sideways. Just because it's Givenchy, do you really need it? But the girlies are saying that you do. So I don't know. But I might. So I might hit up the Givenchy powder and add that to my list. But that's about it, honey. And the total in my cart right now is $390. So 20% off. Yeah. You do the math. You know what I'm saying? Like, get the deals, okay? And definitely the Sephora collection. They have brushes. I'm definitely going to hit up some brushes. So my cart's not done. It's ever changing. It's ever growing. But I want some more brushes. I think I want some more kind of the foundation or the contour. That's what it's called. The contour brushes. I need some more of those. I don't need not another eyeshadow brush because I don't know if it's just me. It's probably just me. But I'm not doing an eyeshadow. Is it just me? I haven't been putting on eyeshadow. I don't feel like it. It's not something that I'm even great at, and I just don't feel like it. I put some foundation on and call it a day. Put some brow product and call it a day. I don't know if it's just me, but I have not been pulling for my palettes, my eye palette. So that will not be a part of my list. I will not be getting not another eye palette. If you see another eye palette on this video, you have full permission to yell at me, because that is crazy. I have so many eye palettes and I just need to use what I have. I mean, if I don't have a color, it has to be a really good excuse for me to get another eye palette. All them colors that's in that eye palette, I better not have not one in another eye palette. I know, I'm just talking to myself. Anyway, let me know what is in your cart. Like, what are you planning on getting? Maybe you can give me some recommendations to add. But honey, I think for me, a good old 400, 450 budget zone is good for your sis. Because why? I need to try to get even lower than that, because it's why? You got facial, I have so many different things, and I love my things. I love all the things, but sometimes we just have to like look at our collection and being like, sis, do you really need that? Well, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.